Henry C. McBay was born in 1914 and grew up in Texas. As a student, he excelled in math and worked to pay for college, earning a degree in organic chemistry. McBay eventually became a chemistry professor, helping many students find the same joy in chemistry that he did.
Hi everybody, my name is Jacqueline Means and I am also known as the STEM Queen, and today I am so excited to be here with you all at the Delaware Children's Museum STEM Expo. Now, I love STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, but today we're going to focus on one aspect of STEM, the science part, because I think it's the most fun. So let's get right into my experiment. So I already have on some PPE, which stands for Personal Protective Equipment, which is my gloves, my lab coat, and the one thing I'm missing is my goggles. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and now we're ready. So I've got my tray here, and this cool piece of scientific glassware, which some of you might think is called a beaker, but this is called a flask, and the full sciencey name is an Erlenmeyer flask, but I like the short one, so we'll just go with flask. So I've got my flask in my tray to catch all of my residue, which will be helpful later. And now I'm gonna put in 35% hydrogen peroxide. Now, hydrogen peroxide is normally only 3%, and that's good for cleaning cuts or burns you might get. But this one is 35%, so it is super acidic, as in you don't wanna touch it, which is exactly why I have on my PPE to protect my hands from it. Now, for my second ingredient, I'm gonna use just some regular old dish soap and put in a good amount so we can get lots of bubbles. And then I'm gonna mix it up until we get bubbles on top like that. Now, for a little bit of fun, I'm gonna add some blue food dye. And again, mix it up so it gets well mixed. Oh, that's such a cute color. It looks like the ocean or something. Really cool. Awesome, and now we've already made it to the last step. So I'm going to use potassium iodide as my catalyst. Now, if you don't know what a catalyst is what makes an experiment go boom and fast and speed up and happen. So I want to see this reaction happen. We've put in all these cool ingredients and I want to see what it does, and I'm sure you guys do too. So let me get a little bit of my potassium iodide. And you can see here, it kind of looks like rock salt. See there, maybe even some sugar. I'm gonna put a little bit more and then I'll put it in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And there we go. And you can already see the reaction happening and coming out the top. Whoa, look at that. Amazing. I'm sure you guys can see all the steam coming off. This is called an exothermic reaction. Exo meaning outside and thermic meaning hot. So it's a very hot reaction. That's why it's got all this steam coming off of it. It's just got so much energy built up. It just had to pop out and release some steam. But that's it for my STEM demo. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with me here at the Delaware Children's Museum STEM Expo. I had a blast with you all. And if you want to see more cool science experiments just like this one, be sure to follow me on my Instagram at STEMQueenDE, my Facebook, which is just my name, Jacqueline Means, and my Twitter, which is JackieMeans24. You can also check me out on my brand new YouTube channel, which is Jacqueline Means, the STEM Queen. Thanks again. Bye.